Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2023. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is a game changer if you're looking to make money online without a huge investment. We're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to get started. If you're new here, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's jump right in. Part 1. What is affiliate marketing? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's cover the basics. Affiliate marketing is like a modern-day referral system. You promote products or services of a company, and when someone makes a purchase through your special link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win setup. Companies get sales, and you earn a piece of the pie. Part 2. Finding your passionate niche. Choosing the right niche is where it all starts. Think of it as picking your playground, something you're passionate about. Whether it's sustainable living, fashion, tech gadgets, or health and wellness, selecting a niche you genuinely care about makes the journey enjoyable. Part 3. Hunting down affiliate programs. Once you've got your niche nailed down, it's time to find affiliate programs. Look for products or services that match your niche and have solid track records. Platforms like ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and even direct partnerships with companies can be goldmines for affiliate opportunities. Part 4. Crafting killer content. Now, let's talk about content. Content is your vehicle to success. Whether you're writing blog posts, making YouTube videos, or going live on Instagram, create content that provides value to your audience. It could be reviews, how-to guides, or even sharing personal experiences with the products. Part 5. Understanding SEO for success. SEO might sound intimidating, but it's your ticket to being discovered by your target audience. Research keywords related to your niche using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Sprinkle these keywords naturally in your content. This tells search engines, hey, my content is relevant. Part 6. Building trust and community. Affiliate marketing is built on trust. Engage with your audience in the comments, address their concerns, and be honest about your affiliations. Building a community not only helps you connect but also boosts your credibility. Part 7. The power of transparency. Host. Full disclosure is non-negotiable. Let your audience know you're using affiliate links. It shows integrity and transparency, strengthening the trust you've built. Part 8. Analyzing and improving. Numbers don't lie. Keep an eye on your performance. Which products are flying off the shelves? Which content is resonating? Use analytics to your advantage and tweak your strategy accordingly. Part 9. Scaling your success. Once you're comfortable, it's time to level up. Explore new platforms, collaborate with other creators, and consider creating your own digital products or courses. This is where the real excitement happens. Part 10. Final thoughts. And that's a wrap on affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, consistency, and learning from both successes and failures. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your pals who might be interested. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. If you have any questions or want to share your affiliate marketing journey, drop a comment below. Keep hustling, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video.